Okay, Rick, so as you can see behind me, investigators still out here working the scene where this officer-involved shooting took place. Now, here's what happened. According to Louisville Metro Police Chief Jacqueline Gwen Villarreal, about 2:30 this afternoon, a domestic violence call came in from the 1000 block of Beecher Street. Officers arrived to find a male suspect in a vehicle with an AR-style pistol. Somehow, the man got out of the car. We don't know if officers ordered him out or not, but he did take off on foot. According to the chief, officers gave multiple commands for the suspect to stop, but he refused. At the 900 block of Camden Avenue, the suspect allegedly pointed his AR at officers. LMPD opened fire. The suspect was hit. He was taken to U of L Hospital alert and conscious, and he is now listed there in stable condition. Meantime, the chief says the suspect was illegally in possession of the AR-style weapon he allegedly pointed at officers.
I want to encourage our city yet again, our citizens of this beautiful city, continue to pray for our community, pray for each and every one that resides here, that we can get a handle on this ridiculous gun violence that is taking place.
No cops or citizens were hurt. The chief says body cam video of this incident will be released within 10 business days. Reporting live in Wyandotte, I'm Randall Cam, WLKY News.
Thank you.